What is the fundamental fact to a safe construction site? Quality product, reliable suppliers, and a standard operation. It seems very easy to find the Chinese supplier, such as sourcing from Google trading platform or visiting trading shows. However, it's very hard for you to identify if the supplier is reliable because of the language barrier and different rules. You will never know if he can offer the most competitive price and conform to your standards. You have no idea if he can deliver bulk orders of the same quality as samples. Improper or substandard products can lead to injuries during work. If this happens, you may face a very bad situation and expensive lawsuits. So what if there's a trustworthy company be your partner, offer you the solutions, monitor productions, check quality, and ship products, help you create a safe work site? That's what we have been doing all the time since 2014. I'm Peter, the founder of APAC Builders Equipment. APAC was founded to provide a one-stop solution for safety construction site products such as scaffolding, edge protection systems, temporary roof, construction fencing, and safety gears to reduce customers' costs and expand the business. We have shipped thousands of containers of high-quality products from China over the past few years, and we are proud to be the supplier to the world's top 50 construction companies, such as GS Engineering and Construction. The best value of our service is that there will be a professional construction site safety expert to support you from products recommendation all the way to ship products to your hand. So what specific service do we offer? And what's the process to work with us? You can firstly start with the free consulting service. Just send us an inquiry about what products you want. Then our consultant will get you quotes, prepare samples, and ship them. If you want to customize them privately, you can use our Pro Plan, which includes our most valuable services. Your dedicated engineer will coordinate with you, designing with your requirements. Our experienced mechanical staff will follow up the manufacturing, from raw material procurement to finished products inspection, to ensure products are made according to your demands, even if you just order small quantities. We also help you to choose the most cost-effective shipping solutions to deliver products to your door. You will also get the newest and hottest products by downloading APAC's report for free. We bring professional knowledge to your project, ensuring that it runs smoothly and supporting you in every way possible. So what are you waiting for? Contact us today and get started immediately. APAC will be your #1 supplier of the construction site safety products in China.